everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1970 Ford Mustang True Mach 1. Gorgeous car. Now, to look at it, it looks like just a bone stock Mach, but it's actually got late model running gear, and it's got a late model 302 motor in it with roller rockers. It's got an automatic with overdrive transmission, four-wheel disc brakes. Beautiful car. 1,900 miles on a complete body-up restoration. It's out of North Carolina. Good, solid North Carolina body. You can see it's finished in the bright red. It's got all the Mach 1 striping in white, and then it's got the white vinyl interior. Pretty car. Pretty color combo. It's got the Magnum 500s with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Really a good looking car, guys. Chrome and stainless is nice. There's a couple of little touch-up marks on the paint, but not a whole lot to really pick at on the paint. Just some little watermarks on there, guys. It's got the rear window louvers, rear deck spoiler. Car's got a great look to it. Sits good. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, it's got four-wheel disc brakes. Again, this is a later model 302 engine, roller rockers, got a quick fuel 4-barrel on it, Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds, it's power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Again, it's got the automatic with overdrive transmission, aftermarket aluminum radiator with a shroud. It's got a Pertronics flamethrower billet distributor in it. And the car drives out great, guys. Sorry, guys, just got a little water. They're pulling it around. Unfortunately, we got a little weather. So we got some snow headed this way. It's got the dual body color mirrors. It's got newer door handles on it. Bucket seats with the console. It's got an aftermarket wood steering wheel in it. Factory dash and gauges. Now 1950. That's the miles on the car since it's been restored. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio. It's got an aftermarket digital clock in there, which is pretty cool. Dual exhaust. It's got the 9-inch rear end with the 355 limited slip. Try not to rip out the wires here. See, it's pretty much stock in here. It's body color. It's got the jack with the spare still in there. It's nice and clean underneath. Little touch-up mark there. Gauges look clean. See, it's got electric fan too. Good running 302, guys. This car drives out great. Wood mount turn signals work. Heavy pin those. Alternator gauge works, fuel gauge works, temp gauge works, oil pressure gauge works. I know they work. Jay, put them on again? Yeah, so I know those backup lights work. It's got the digital clock, radiator, or radio works. Blower motor does work, guys. Doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our brand new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a good looking car, man. Pretty color combo. Again, true Mach. North Carolina car. Have a great day, guys.